another Atari 800 XL computer. I just got this one in, and the person that I purchased it stated it wasn't working. I didn't say anything else. They said it wasn't working. So looking at it, it looks a little bit dirty, the keys. And the P key looks like it's broken. Because it's like sunk down, like the spring is missing or something. So I'm going to crank it up and see if it's not working. I just plugged in the power and the RF cable. So let's first see if it at least powers up. See if I get any power. Okay. It's actually working. There's nothing wrong with this. It's working. I don't know why the person said it's not working. Maybe they were referring to the power supply, perhaps. Maybe the power supply is bad. This because the power supply came with it. That was like crazy there. The computer's actually working. I don't know why they said it's not working. It could be the power supply. Maybe the power supply is bad. So let me try and check out the power supply. There's probably something wrong with the power supply. I am not going to plug it in, but I'm just going to probe the power supply, you know, because I don't want it to blow anything. Let's see what's going on with the power supply itself. The computer's actually working. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, as a matter of fact, I had this ready to do a diagnostic check on it. A sys check, diagnostic check there. So let me just do some testing on the power supply to see if the power supply is bad. Let's see. Could be the power supply. So I'm going to probe. Okay, 4, 1, and 6 supposed to be 5 volts. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, and 7. So let's just say 7. So 7. And 1, 4, and 6. It looks like it's working. Yes, power supply is working. Just checked all the 3 pins there. All of them are producing 5 volts. There's nothing wrong with this computer. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. I don't know. Maybe the person felt like they wanted to say it wasn't working. Or they just wanted, you know what I think? Sometimes people just say not working. Just in case it doesn't work. So that way you don't come back and say, oh, it's not working. You know what I mean? And then come make a complaint. So they just put it listed as not working. So now I'm going to do a 6 check to see if everything is in order here. So if I can get this in here. Alright. Plug this up. Let's do a system check here. And I gotta plug this cable here to pin number 7. Wrong one. It's the power one. So let's see. Alright. I think I got this switched wrong. That's why I didn't. Unless I have to open it up completely. Hold on. Maybe it doesn't. Let me try again. Shouldn't do that. I think this little wire is a little loose here. It's not catching correctly. Unless it doesn't need this one. It doesn't need this extra power. Not 100% sure. Let me do it without that. No. not going into that. But anyway, I'll just do the the systems check. You know, the system itself has a check. So let's select. Let's do all test start. It has its own test anyway. This one takes a little while. So I'll just do this test here that it has its own test. Yeah, like I said, that person had said it was not working. That's the way it was listed. I purposely purchased it not working. But I only paid $65 for it. It does need a little. Maybe they put not working because the key, there's something wrong with the key. That's probably the reason why they listed it as not working. Because one of these keys is messed up. Let me get my key puller. So I pull this key out without breaking anything. So let's see what's going on with that keyboard key. Okay, it looks like it's missing a spring, and it's missing it's broken two of those little legs there. See that? They're broken there. I'll just take it out of one that's beat up here. I have another key. Okay, I have another one here. Wait a minute. The little bottom piece didn't come out with it. I don't think it normally supposed to come up with it. No, that's not supposed to come up with it like that. Like you see here, it has come up with it. That's a separate thing. It's actually supposed to stay down there. And let me look. Yeah, there's no spring there. The spring is it's inside. It's under the plastic thing. So the spring or whatever it is might be still under here. I have to try to remove it from there. Let me try to use needle nose plier. If I can get this part here. That's probably why they put not working, because the RAM is looking like the RAM, everything is working there. Okay, there actually isn't no spring there. Okay, so this is the old one. Yeah, there's supposed to have a little spring right here. I think I have another spring, as a matter of fact, but that's not the point. The point is that this is not supposed to come out. So that's why it's like sunk down. Let me see if I have another spring. I believe I have an extra spring. But I'm not sure if it's for this computer. But I do have a spring. Let me grab that spring really quick. Yeah, I have a spring right here. But I don't know if it's for that computer or they might be the same. Okay, spring right here. Might work, I don't know. There's a little spring over here. It might be the spring for it. But I still, you know, the key's not good itself. Yeah, like I said, one side of everything looking like it's checking out good. all the tests seem to be alright so far. Everything's checking out okay. Seems like everything's alright. So let me see if this would work. Okay. Well, it's a bit weak though, because that's broken. But I can still remove it out of the other one. If I open it, I believe I can remove it out of that one. But all in all, it looks pretty good. It just probably needs a quick clean up, and then it's good to go. There's pretty much nothing wrong with this. I don't know why this isn't picking up. Maybe because it doesn't. Sometimes this thing doesn't reach correctly here. I probably don't have it switched correctly as well. I probably don't have the right mode. But that's okay. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. You know, I thought it was not working, but that's it for the video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out.